Hey guys, I'm Lauren, and today I'll be showing you guys what I made and got for Christmas. Let's get started. So the first thing I made was these sugar cookies that were see-through. And to do that, I crushed some Jolly Ranchers of all different colors, and I put them inside of a sugar cookie, which was a star shape, and I cut with a smaller star shape in the center. Then I baked them in the oven. So at first I thought the Jolly Ranchers wouldn't melt enough, but they did. They melted really, really fast. So these sugar cookie recipe I had, it was you bake them at 400. I'll put it in the link in the description below. Next I made some plain sugar cookies that I baked, and I was going to put some royal icing on them. So I made some royal icing, and I'll also put that recipe in the link in the description. It was super easy and it tastes really, really good. So I have never made royal icing or have I piped with it. So I piped with this icing, and for my first time, they turned out really, pretty good. I was super proud, and yeah, it was easy to color, and yes, it was so cool, and it dried within a couple hours. Then I made this square cake, which turned out pretty good because I don't really make a lot of square cakes. So I just cut the edges to make them pretty sharp, and I put fondant, and it just looked really, really good. I was really happy with how it turned out. Then I made some red velvet cupcakes with cream cheese frosting, some cinnamon cupcakes with cinnamon, and some lemon cupcakes that I put a slice of lemon on top. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you all the baking related things I got for Christmas. So the first thing I got was these 2 cup measuring things, and what they do is they measure the perfect amount of batter inside of your cupcakes. And they seem really handy, so I'm going to try them out one day. The second thing I got was these Russian ball piping tips, and they are literally so cool. I've always wanted them, and I got 8 of them and the cleaners, and I knew they were big, but they are way bigger than I thought. So, yeah, they're huge. They're really big compared to my finger. They're I don't know, they're huge. The third thing I got was a bunch of tips. I got a bunch of these metal tips, and they come with a really nice container, and I really like them a lot. They came with the cleaner, and they came with one of those nails, those rose nails. I've always wanted one of those where you can make the rose, you do the twisty thing. And, yeah, it's so cool. And they came with some piping bags, and they came with the disposable piping bags and a reusable piping bag. And also, I put some of my other tips that I had. I put some of them in there because there was a lot of space, and I really liked it because it looked really organized. Fourth thing I got was this Coors cupcakes, and you can fill it with lemon, you can fill it with jam, you can fill it with chocolate, you can fill it with anything like that. The fifth thing I got was these fondant, they're sculpting tools, I'm pretty sure they're called sculpting tools, and I got a bunch of them, and they make really nice details on cakes to make them look more realistic, makes them look more just fancy looking, makes them look really good. Have you ever seen those videos, and they have a lot of texture, a lot of stuff, and it's like, man, I can't believe that cake, and they use fondant, and it's just easier to sculpt, and it just looks really cool. I also got a bunch of cake boards and a bunch of cake boxes. Then I got these pretty big square pans. I have these really small ones which I use to make that square cake, but these were huge, huge boxes. They were huge squares. Then I got a cotton candy machine, which I've always wanted one, and it works so well. And then I also got the sugar for the cotton candy machine. I had orange, grape, cherry, blueberry, and pink vanilla. And pink vanilla was just pink, and you kind of taste the vanilla, but you really didn't. It just tastes like normal cotton candy, but it still tasted pretty good. And I got 100 cones, and I got 2 disposable cones that came with the cotton candy machine. And yes, and that was today's video. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. and have a happy and nice new year. Also, remember that my birthday is on December 31st, and I would really like to have 50 subscribers. Right now, we have 28, so I'll need about 22 more. Okay, guys, bye!